Summer, the $200,000 summer giveaway at Stone's. And they've been giving away more than $200,000 in cash and prizes. Perhaps you've been a winner out there. If you were, congratulations. Still have a couple of days. This is going on through the 19th. They always have great things going on. It's a place to be in 23 Stone's Gaming Hall. Whether your game is poker, three-card poker, California-style blackjack, maybe you enjoy baccarat, pai gow, Stone's has it all going on. Cooling you off in the hot weather is Sammy's Restaurant, offering you bottomless mimosas every day, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., and the legendary happy hour going from 3 to 6 p.m. That's daily. And if you love to play cards, Stone's is going to be your place. It's a $200,000 summer giveaway, going on now through the 19th, located off I-80 in Antelope. Stone's Gaming Hall. Still the one, still the only. What's holding you back from learning the language you've always wanted to know? Too hard.
Takes too long.
Not with Babbel. Babbel's
What's
lessons
up
take just
traffic here?
15 minutes a day.
Napa,
15 minutes isn't long.
Nope. And they're fun. Fun isn't hard. You're right.
Slow
Babbel's
down.
interactive
Stupid
lessons,
snob.
podcasts, games and more
Rich
make it
people.
fun and engaging.
Just
You don't
snobs.
realize you're learning a language, but you are. And Babbel's lessons are built around real life. You can choose from topics like travel, business, relationships, and more. You'll learn what matters most to you. Plus, Babbel's lessons are designed to get you speaking right away. In 3 weeks, you're able to start having conversation.
Just 3 weeks? Even better.
Since Babbel's lessons are designed by language experts and voiced by real native speakers, you'll get the accents just right and be able to carry on conversations with confidence.
Learning a language with Babbel doesn't take long.
And with Babbel, it isn't hard.
It's perfect.
And now, try Babbel free at Babbel.com. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com. At Allworth, we believe financial advice shouldn't be limited by a lack of know-how or tools that hold other advisors back. We call it uncompromised wealth management. But for you, it means intelligent financial and investment guidance that's comprehensive, uniquely customized, and dedicated to moving your whole wealth forward. Discover uncompromised wealth management and unlock your full financial potential by calling 833-GO-ALLWORTH or visit allworthfinancial.com for a free consultation today. Our iHeartRadio Music Festival is coming back to T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas this September. Superstar artists from every genre.
Streaming live only on Hulu.
Buy tickets now at AXS.com. Local news, traffic, and weather. You're minutes away from a fresh update on KFBK News Radio. Tonight, one of those dates, the 17th of August, 1949. Great album. Talking about a little conservative or American, if you, whatever you want to label it. A little backlash to some of the wokeness going on. We see hits from Jason Aldean and Oliver Anthony that are going everywhere viral. Everyone seems to love it, and it doesn't matter what your race, what your color is, it's resonating with people. I'm watching some of these videos. I love these videos. And they want to divide us by color. They want to divide us by politics and such. If you listen to some of these gentlemen, and I'll play some of them for you. We talked about this supposedly hate law thing that in Michigan, where if you get the pronoun wrong for someone, you face 5 years in prison. Are you kidding me?
That's
Anyone know the Patriot Brothers?
What a dumb law.
A lot of the people that react to these things, that are asked to react or to feel compelled to react to these, happen to be black Americans. And we are not different as the media wants to portray us sometimes. If you listen to the Patriot Brothers talking about that, the so-called
Which?
hate act in Michigan, pronouns law declared an abomination by former judge. They say, well, he went over that, what you say? I'm calling the cops. You going to jail, buddy. I think it's a $10,000 fine, too. A $10,000 fine? You can't force Christianity on people, but you can force... Michigan's recent bill making it a felony for people to harass... A felony? For people to harass or intimidate someone by misgendering them. Ain't nobody harassing and misgendering people and misgendering them and using the wrong pronouns as spark. You know what they causing us for misgendering? They misgendering themselves. By using wrong pronouns has sparked controversy in the state, with former judge and television personality Joe Brown calling the measure an abomination. You can terrorize somebody when you use the wrong pronouns.